Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started standing up, reaching our arms up to the ceiling for mountain pose. Side body stretch, lower your right arm down as you reach over with your left arm. Come back to your extended mountain pose and side body stretch to the left. Come back into your extended mountain pose, this time clasping your hands together for a steeple grip. So that just means you point your index fingers up and lean to the right, coming into your half moon, pushing your hips to the left. Back through center, and we have our half moon to the left, so you just push your hips over to the right, leaning your upper body to the left, and back to your mountain pose for forward fold. Halfway lift, hands to shins, lengthen your spine. Forward fold. Slowly roll up to standing, reaching your arms up for mountain pose. Micro back bend, cactus your arms open as you look up, pressing the hips forward. Back to your mountain pose. Forward fold. Halfway lift, forward fold. Step your right foot back for pyramid pose. Your right toes are facing the corner. Warrior one, let's bend our front knee, reaching our arms up overhead. You might have to step your back foot back a little bit more, but keep that back foot flat. Chair pose, step your back foot forward, sink your hips deep. And stand for mountain pose, micro back bend. Mountain pose. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Step your left foot back for pyramid pose. Warrior one, bend that front knee, reaching the arms up. Keep that back foot flat. Chair pose, step your back foot forward, sink your hips deep. Mountain pose, stand up. Hands come to heart center, and I'm gonna face the side so you can see me. Let's open the legs and the arms. Drop your head back and wide-legged forward fold. Grab behind those ankles or underneath the heels. Option to clasp your hands behind your low back for a chest expansion. And maybe you press your fists forward and down. Let's make our way back to standing up. Turn your right toes out. Open the arms wide. Flip your front palm, reach up and back for reverse triangle. We come back to center, going to the other side, so just turning the left foot out and reaching up and back with that left arm for reverse triangle. Bring your hands to heart center As you take a deep inhale, breathing in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.